Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see a very interesting formula on how to round up the time. So this is our example where we see that there are four people and this is their start time. So let's say this is the start time of their session. That is when they started their session. And we want to round up this time because this has digits like 18, 56, 52, 45, and we want to see a specific time. Let's say we want to round it to the nearest 15th minute. Okay, so how can we do that? So when it comes to rounding off time, we feel that it might be very complex, but in reality, it is not complex at all. So there is a very simple function that is MROUND. Using MROUND, I will show you how we can round off the time to the nearest 15th minute, nearest 30th minute, and nearest 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So let's see. So in this cell, I'll say M round. So this is the function M round. It says it returns round to the desired multiple. So I'll just select this M round. I'll select my number, that is cell B2, then comma, and I'll say round it off to the nearest 15th minute. So I'll say quotes open, colon, 15. So this is how I'll let it know that I need it to the nearest 15th minute. Close brackets and hit enter. So now you see that this number is there, which is in decimal format. To change this to the time format, what I will do is I'll select all these cells where I want the answer, right click, format cells, time. I'll select this format and click OK. Now you see that it has rounded off to the nearest 15th minutes because 15 was near to 18, so it says it is 8:15. Now I just drag this down and we will see the answer. So it's now we can see that every minute or every time value has been changed to the nearest 15th minute. Now let's say I want it to the nearest 30th minute. So what I'll do is I'll just edit this formula saying instead of 15 I'll just write 30. So I got the answer to the nearest 30th minute and drag it. Now because all these values were near to 9 o'clock, so we get 9 o'clock over here. Okay. Now let's say if I want to round it off to the nearest hour. So again I'll just click this. So for the nearest hour, what I need to do is I'll just say 01 colon 00 and hit enter. So the nearest hour to 8:18 is 8 o'clock. And I just drag this down and we see the answer. So this is how we can round off our time to the nearest minute or hour we want, and it is a very simple thing to do. Sometimes it's just that we don't know the right formula to use, so it becomes really complex. Otherwise, it is very simple. M round is the formula which we can use to round off our time. Hello everyone. So I'm starting a new podcast channel. In this channel, I would like you all to come to my channel to share your stories. So what will these stories be about? So these stories will be about your career life, your educational life and your professional life. So what you can do is, if in case you have a story to tell about how you were preparing for a particular examination and if you cleared, then how you cleared it, what challenges did you face, and in case you were not able to clear a particular examination, then what next did you do? Because in today's scenario we see a lot of people facing these challenges regarding to examinations, be it the examinations that we give after 12th for getting into colleges or getting into specific careers, or after graduations or post graduation for getting government services examinations. So in case you have any story to tell, you are welcome on my channel and you can share your story over there. If you are in a particular field or career which is not explored much yet, So I would like you to share more about your career, your field. So I welcome you all to my channel. To connect, what you can do is you can drop your LinkedIn ID in the comment box. I will reach you out to you, and then we can discuss about what you want to talk about, and we can start with the podcast. So I hope you guys do let me know in the comment box in case you want to share your stories. So that is my new initiative, and I hope it goes out well. And thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.